Even as the Karnataka High Court continues hearing in the Hijab row, there is a big twist in the case. In a latest development, the petitioners have requested the court to postpone hearing till February 28th. Citing its impact on elections, they said that the parties are using the matter for political gains. Now the BJP has hit out claiming that the real motive has been exposed. तो बीजेपी कह रही है ये जो याचिका डाली गई थी, ये जो मसला उठाया जा रहा है, इसके पीछे की जो मंशा है वो कोर्ट से इस रिक्वेस्ट के बाद सामने आ गई है। तो पिटिशनर्स ने ये रिक्वेस्ट किया है कोर्ट से कि इसे पोस्टपोन किया जाए इस हियरिंग को, क्योंकि जो इसका फैसला होगा या जो कुछ भी अभी कोर्ट में चल रहा है, इसका असर चुनावों में, जो अभी चुनाव चल रहे हैं, उस पर साफ देखा जाएगा। दीपक मेरे सहयोगी इस समय मेरे साथ मौजूद है, हरीश भी मेरे साथ जुड़ चुके हैं। दीपक, बीजेपी कह रही है मोटिव एक्सपोज हो चुका है, वहीं पिटिशनर्स ने कोर्ट को रिक्वेस्ट की है कि इसे पोस्टपोन किया जाए इस सुनवाई को। कैसे देखा जा रहा है, क्या प्रतिक्रियाएं सामने आ रही हैं?
Yes, now there were a couple of issues that came up yesterday. One is, of course, an application that was filed. They requested the Karnataka High Court that this particular hearing should be deferred because it's having an impact on the elections. The court, of course, begs to differ, and it did say that if such a thing is happening, it should be the election commission or a body that's looking into the elections that should really come into the picture and make this request. The judge also was of the opinion when this came up that if there should be an option that the court proceeding should not be streamed live as well. Meanwhile, there's a petition, the application, in fact, has been filed requesting that the dupatta could be worn as the hijab. This was also a request that was put in yesterday. So today, when the hearing resumes at 2:30, it's going to be interesting how this matter is going to be looked into and whether any sort of decisions on these applications as well will be taken by the court.
All right, दीपक, हरीश भी मेरे साथ बने हुए, लेट्स गो अक्रॉस टू हिम। हरीश, अब इस पर लगातार प्रतिक्रियाओं का दौर जारी है। अब आज जो 2:30 बजे कोर्ट में सुनवाई होनी है, इस पर भी नजर टिकी है। सुनवाई बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, कोर्ट क्या फैसला लेगा ये देखने वाली बात होगी, पोस्टपोन होती है या नहीं होती।
Yes, regarding this new issue, now the question that arises is are the students more concerned about the right to wear hijab or electoral benefit to some parties. So I will explain to the viewers what exactly happened yesterday. Towards the end of the hearing, just when the bench was about to rise, lawyer Mohammed Tahir, who represents 4 of the many students who had approached the Karnataka High Court seeking permission to wear hijab and attend classes, suddenly mentioned his application seeking deferment of the court proceedings till the end of the polls, saying it is affecting the voting in 6 states, including Uttar Pradesh. The application sought adjournment of the case hearing till February 28, that is till the end of the election. The petition said that due to advent of technology, every discussion and observation is shared with the general public, and it is the voting pattern in the election is getting affected. There is polarization between Hindus and Muslims, and a certain political parties taking advantage of it. But the Justice Krishna Dixit immediately responded that if such a request is made by the Election Commission or some other authority, we can consider, but not at the behest of the petitioner. So the court said it cannot restrict media and social media. All we can do is, as Deepak Bopana rightly said, that we do is stop the live streaming, as we cannot restrict the media. Chief Justice then intervened to say, if you people agree, we can agree to put off live streaming. That much we can do. Okay. So we'll have to wait and watch today whether the Karnataka High Court take some decision in this regard.
बिल्कुल, इस मामले पर आज का दिन भी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। Thank you so much, Deepak and Harish, for joining us. Keep an eye on this news. We'll come back to you for more updates.